So I put my hand like this, and I just kind of hold it from the back and I press in the texture from the front. And what texture means is it's a buildup of a design. So the repetition of a design over and over again. So this design is a dot, and I'm repeating it over and over again, which builds up a texture on the surface. The reason why we hand build with wet clay is that it's also easier to put texture into the surface. You can build by putting the texture in first, but sometimes it deforms and it stretches, and it's perfectly fine to do that. But I prefer to do the texture afterwards, because then I get exactly what I want instead of it doing exactly what it wants, because clay likes to do exactly what it wants to do. So I have now built up an area of texture, and that's what you want to do on your pieces, is find an area. It doesn't have to be the whole thing, although it could be, but find a nice area that you can build up some texture and make it look real cool.